Moni Malawi. Ineso ndalindike ku mulomo pa nkhani yokuza amwenye ku Malawi. Mene amayendetsera ma business awo. Ndaba ndimaganiza amene achifukwa cha nditaona video ina imene inosa amwenye ku Malawi amapanga protest kuti sakugwirizana ndi njira imene MRA yabweretsa. Ndikamvera soma clip ina MRA akuyesera kufotokoza kuti issue silibona kuti amwenye adzibereka ndalama on behalf of the customers. Issue ndio kuti government is trying to put a system whereby they will be able to collect the money systematically from the buyers, which means my customers. And as an individual, munthu amene ndakhala pansi kwambiri kuyendesa matragi mu route ya South Africa Malawi, I'm able to understand why amwenye they are threatened. And ndikuzona kuti I think amwenye aku Malawi ali part and parcel yomwe ikuononga economy ya ku Malawi. Chifukwa anthu achakuti they are after profits for themselves, but they don't think about the damage that they cause or they are causing to the country of Malawi. Why I'm saying that? Corruption in Malawi jako inafika pamwana wakana pala nseso 40. I think I can say 80% ya amwenye zinthu zambiri zomwe amalowesa mdziko la Malawi zimakhala undeclared. Izina mwina sapanga declare kumene koma izizi zimachitika apo pangwirizano omwe machitika pakati pa amwenye kapena anthu ama business ndi MRA. Truly speaking, MRA Malawi is rotten, is so corrupt. I can say that because izizi zimachitika ifo amwenye they are well connected ndi anthu ena ake amene amapanga kuti ziwe zitheke. So fear ya amwenye ndiona kuti kuna kuti mwina mwake system ikati kugwira ntchito mwina maybe there will be ka revelation kuti they are able to sell a lot of things zomwe maybe according to their declaration might not match. For example, you buy 20 TVs and you declare that you have 20 TVs, then you only to sell 100 TVs. It doesn't make sense, eh? Or you say the way you sell things and the way you declare things, it's not up to par. Whereby this business sells more than what they import. That's the fear. There'll be that an exposure, of which if there can be that intelligence that can bring that exposure, it might help the government of Malawi to collect more revenues from business people. Chintu yomwe ndikuzopanga witness pa mwenye as a driver. The time when nimeenda route ya Malawi ndi company ina, there was a scenario whereby when you carry like groceries, maka groceries, ukafika pa Mwanza uli pa Disava Java, you even way driver mita uzoti this thing is illegal. This thing Kifuka it's either you the driver when you are leaving Joburg, for example, you have loaded something for you leave from South Africa, like makashandikale amwenye Malawi odokula zinthu ngati ku Jumbo kashandikale, Oriento, what those big kashandikale in South Africa. Few of them they buy things they direct like from you leave a DHL in Boxbag, those such kind of things. They will even give you money. The driver, think about Mwanza bajago wait. We'll tell you when to cross. When you cross, they'll give you escort and they'll give you money, right? So that you should cooperate properly. There was a time that I went to offload in another warehouse in Lilongwe for another Indian guy, of which I don't know. I cannot even remember the location. It has been a long time. But I used Mwanza border. Mwanza border, just to cross Mwanza. After Mwanza, they told me to stop there by Mwanza Paboma Bache, just to wait for their connections. After that, Zalewa, instead of Guzera data. Natenje, Aguzali Magaiban, to find long stories into. Kafka when we time in the driver was 200,000 for good job, good waendesa bwino kaya muchoka ku South Africa kufika ku Malawi. So this thing of clearing the borders is none of our business. If the country, the government is not able to put restrictions or proper things in the borders, then don't think the drivers will assist the government doing that, because what they want is money. So this in Chidwe, the almost all Amwenye, I would say all Amwenye, I mean Amagrosas, they do this in Chidwe. So it's up to the government, first of all, to search themselves. That is beginning from MRIA, because this thing, the problem is MRIA. After MRIA, then they can go after Amwenye. They have to scrutinize themselves first. Then they have to go Amwenye. Kumano, it seems like it can be something good if it can work. I don't know if it's gonna work. Then part 2, ndi for kuzira many